everybody, this is Jennifer, and today we're going to be making glycerites. Now, what are glycerites? Glycerites are tinctures without alcohol, and so I'm just going to chop these up here, and I'm using Dandelion. I'm going to be making some wonderful products with these for the face, and I don't want the additional alcohol in my concoction, so that's what I'm doing here. So basically I'm going to take about 75 to 80% glycerin, and because the dandelion doesn't have a lot of liquid in it, I'm going to be adding a bit of water. Now, a lot of people will just add water and glycerin and then add their dry plant matter, but fresh plant matter tends to have a loss of those precious nutrients, and I just want to see if I can produce them in this dandelion concoctions. Now remember, with dandelions it's important to wash them because the ants really like dandelions too. So these are washed, and that's why they look kind of bedraggled. But I'm going to chop them up really good, hopefully to release some of the oils, and we'll have a wonderful concoction for the face. So here we go. This smells so good. Anyway, so let's get to measuring. Okay. Wipe this down really quick and clean our workspace. All right. Let's see how much we've got in plant matter here. Got about 30 grams. So I'm going to use about 70 grams of glycerin and about 10 grams of water. So let's pour out our distilled water. So let's bring this up to 40 grams. And then I'll add as much glycerin as I want, but more than. There we go. Alrighty, so let's give this a little stir. I think that is. That looks beautiful. Now, for about the next 10 days, make sure we've got plenty to cover. That matter, yeah. We're going to shake it and try to extract all of that fresh dandelion goodness. Then I can use it in serums and lotions and other concoctions. All right. So we'll see you guys when this is done. Bye for now.